our body recovers very fast. This is only third week running and I am already doing very good. Today is day 16th after my surgery, and I think about 10 days after coming home. So I am lot better doing now. I am almost in my previous state, little bit weak, which I have to improve. Otherwise I am doing almost everything I used to do now before the surgery. My wife wanted me to build a six-pack, which never happened, but I got now 3-pack and a mark above. So I thought, why not celebrate that instead? I am doing a photo session. I lost about 30 pounds in last 3 months and still not looking that bad. What do you think? Today is March 17, so it is 17 days after my surgery, and I believe I am making very good progress. I am walking about 3 to 2 miles a day. In fact, today morning I already went for a walk for 1.5 miles, and now I am probably walking another mile, and later on today I will try to make another round. Health wise I am doing also much better. Only trouble right now I have is the breathing. Either when I go for a walk, particularly if it is inclined like uphill, I am losing my breath very quickly, or when I am talking a lot loudly, that time also I am having problem with the breathing. Otherwise rest of the things are very normal. Little bit pain here and there in my chest. I'm not sure it is the surgery area or something going on inside me, but that is something I am going to discuss with my cardiologist tomorrow. I have appointment. Another problem I am having is the sleeping. I don't know why at night I am not able to sleep. I am keep waking up. So that is actually something, if I can improve, I am going to have a lot more energy to do the things I should do, like walking and everything else. Again, tomorrow I am going to talk about that with my cardiologist. Today is March 18th, right? So 18 days after my surgery. So I came here to visit my cardiologist. It's supposed to be after 2 weeks or maybe 1 week after the release from the hospital, but for me it got little delayed. So anyway, so I don't know what I'm going to discuss today here, but I guess this is the standard. I'm supposed to meet my cardiologist after my surgery, and I'm here. This is the last thing attached to me, and I am removing it and sending back so they can track the atrial fibrillation which I had during my hospital stay. Skin. I don't know what kind of glue it has, but it is impossible to remove without damaging my skin. I am now free from all attachments, and this was my 3 weeks quick update. Take care.